Keep your Tesla's interior clean and comfortable, and protect your investment with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of soft and stretchy neoprene and Neoprene fabrics, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle specifications for a perfectly snug fit. The Model Y rear bench seats are offered in both solid and split bench options. Our cover comes in two sections for a split bench option and has zippered fabric pieces which cover the exposed sides. For a solid bench option, simply remove the fabric pieces and zip the cover together. The bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Plus, the front has a center console cover for added comfort. These custom-fit covers are waterproof, long-lasting, durably constructed with thick foam padding, and offer special stitching to allow for side airbag deployment. Ride in style and comfort with your Tesla's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom-fit neoprene seat covers.